Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Injective, the Injective protocol and their INJ token, which I actually haven't covered in quite some time, but I did take some trades on it, and it's been very bullish for the last, well, what is it? For the last couple of weeks actually, since the 15th of June. We've basically been in a very strong uptrend, all the way from $5.5 to where we are right now at around $9. So that's about an increase of, well, what is it, 40% I think? Well, no, 64%, excuse me. So very bullish right now. Technically, we are also still very bullish. Like we just found support at this key level around the 28 EMA. And we haven't had any major bearish breakout or anything after finding resistance at a significant resistance as well at $9. So that makes the market structure right now very interesting in my eyes. So that's why I wanted to make a video on that. And apart from that, I have covered Injective a lot on my YouTube channel, so I know quite a lot of you also hold it. So that's what we'll take a look at in this video. First of all, Injective for the long term, great project. This video will be more about the short term prospects of going up to $10 or whether it's more likely that we'll get some bearish momentum. And apart from that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and also gain access to an exclusive chat room of traders in which I shared a short trade from $9 right here, which I took profits at around 8.3. So that was a great trade. Yeah, in the chat room, we share a lot of trades and thoughts on the market as well. So if you're interested in that, check out the links down in the description. But now onto Injective. So Injective volume actually right now is pretty low. Like also if you compare it to the last month, it's or at least to the last 2 weeks, it's pretty low. It's not the end of the world, but it's some sort of an indication, because right now the thing is that we are very bullish, but this uptrend is pretty steep. Like we haven't had any meaningful pullback, except for some crashes when Bitcoin also dropped down heavily, since basically the 15th of June. So right now we are at a significant resistance level at $9. It's a psychological level. Historically, it's very respected. So given that historical price action that we got out of that, mixed up with that, I actually do expect some more bearish momentum from Bitcoin. I think overall Bitcoin is still bullish. Don't worry. But overall, I do expect on the short term to get some bearish momentum from there. So that combination leads me to believe that right now, I mean, I do want to stress that right now, Injective is still very bullish. And it's 100% possible that we'll just, later today, break above $9, which is our main resistance. And if we break above that, we're going up to 9.8 and $10 easily. It's definitely possible. I just think, given the circumstances and given the technicals, that it's a bit more likely that we'll get a pullback. Even with that pullback, we'll still remain very bullish. Like if we find resistance at $9, which I expect, and get a bearish breakout through 8.5, 8.4, which is the main level under $9, then we'll drop down to this level right here, around $8, 7.8, filled with support levels. And I think from there, we can actually get bullish momentum again and break above $9. So overall, I'm actually very bullish on Injective. It's just that I think it's more likely that we'll actually get some sort of a pullback that will grab some liquidity from levels down below at 7.8 and $8, and that from there will continue the rally. Then that it's likely that we'll break above $9 right here from this very steep rally with volume dropping down, which is something you should also not forget. But yeah, so that's why I think what I think, and that's my take overall. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day, and bye.